Hey everyone, here's the brand new RPM Quick Install feature in Db2, a much simpler way to get Db2 installed using standard package managers. Starting from version 12.1.5, RPM Quick Install brings Db2 installation much closer to how software is typically managed on Linux systems. Unlike traditional installation scripts that required manual steps and user intervention, you can now install Db2 with just a single command, making the process much faster and easier. So in this video, I'll walk you through how it works and show you how simple Db2 installation has become with this approach. Alright, let's jump in and try this out. To kick off the quick install, just run the dnf install command with the db2 rpm quick install flag set to 1 and let the installer handle the rest. The good part is, dependencies are handled automatically, so everything just gets installed along the way. One of the best parts of Quick Install is the automatic instance creation. As soon as the installation completes, a default instance is created for db2 inst1. You don't even need to create the user. Quick Install takes care of that for you. And it doesn't stop there. Once the instance is created, it starts automatically, so you're already up and running. Pretty smooth, right? Now go ahead and start using Db2.